Hey, what's up? In this video, we will install Jupyter Notebook on Mac. We will install Python 3 and Jupyter Notebook on Mac to learn Python programming. Jupyter Notebook is an IDE that can use to write and run Python code. Python is a general programming language that commonly used in machine learning field. So, to install the latest Python, we need to download Python file on official website. Make sure you have downloaded the correct version for your OS. So after the download is complete, we double-click to open the pkg file. Before we can install, we need to agree the license agreement and select the installation path. So now we have successfully installed the latest Python, and now we're going to install the Jupyter Notebook. For the Jupyter Notebook, we also choose to download from the official website, jupyter.org. So we copy the installation command and paste it on the terminal. Now we can simply launch the Jupyter Notebook by Jupyter Notebook command. First, we create a folder to store the code. And then we create a notebook file so we can write the Python code and run. We try to write a command to print hello world. You can run the code by click the play icon on the toolbar, or you can press Shift Return keyboard combination. Now we use the input function to request input from the keyboard. To shut down the Jupyter Notebook, we need to press Ctrl+C combination in terminal and confirm with Y. This video we are going to end here. We have successfully installed the Python and Jupyter Notebook on macOS. Thank you for watching.